Okay, I think we will start because we've already given them 2 minutes to come in. Before that, let me just quickly take your attendance. Who do I have here? Let me see. Uh, okay, I've got Amelia is not here. Charlotte is here. Heidi is here. Theodora is here. Wilmer, Salman. Yeah, okay. Okay, I've got more joining. Let me see. I've got one more joining. Who's that? Okay, let's get started. Now, today is lesson 31. It's really close. I mean, a lot of you said that some of you said that your prelims, your English prelims are over. Some of you say that it's going to be in the upcoming week, right? So we will be focusing a little bit more on the first two components, right? Like I said, oral is over, but that doesn't mean that we skip it. The reason why oral is here was because when we plan our curriculum, right, we always have to plan ahead, right? So we plan at the beginning of the year. So when we plan at the beginning of the year, we roughly, because the PSLE timetable was not out yet, so we roughly had an idea of like when roughly is going to be your oral exam. Okay, so that's why we actually allocated this lesson for oral, as you can see. That's why I think maybe that's the reason why a lot of you actually did not attend the homework. Maybe you might be thinking, oral is over already. Why am I still doing oral? Right? But then again, maybe just want to encourage you that for this one, we will do it. We will still attempt it. The reason is because we want to basically generate a bit more ideas, brainstorm on how to tackle a particular topic. And I think it'll be also useful for you in terms of writing as well. Okay? Right. Ha Yitong is here. Okay, let me quickly take your attendance. So how many do I have? I have 7 of you. Let me see if I really have 7 of you here. Okay, possible. I think you know by now the house rules. Please turn on your video. Okay, how come I only have 6? Who am I missing? Yitong, Wilma, Salman, Theodora. Jeremy is here. Okay, I didn't see Jeremy. Okay, let me see. Okay, great. I have 7 of you today. Yeah. Okay, quick house rules. I think by now you know. Please turn on your video. Thank you. And also mute your microphone, yeah? If you have to ask questions, I think those that you're quite familiar. If you need to go toilet, just let me know. Okay, I'm a reasonable person. If you need to go, just please go ahead, okay? Now, let us have a look at this. This is actually your visual text. Generally, primary school PSLE English for visual text is relatively quite manageable, I would say, because the questions are mostly literal. Literal means that you can get the answers from the text itself. As long as you read carefully, and also really just try to understand what the question is asking, generally you should be able to get the full marks. Okay, for visual text at primary school level will be a total of 8 marks, yeah? Okay, so 8 questions, and most of them are literal questions. As long as you read them carefully, you will be able to get answer. Okay, now let us get someone to read it. I'm not going to read the entire passage for you. Okay, who would like to go first? Any volunteers? Yes, someone.
New Body Mind Museum at 456 Specimen Street is now open. Opening hours Sunday to Thursday from 9:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Friday and Saturday from 9:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Last admission is 1 hour before closing time. A world-class museum experience for people of all ages. A unique and interactive journey under your skin. Come and explore what makes us human. Over 47 million visitors have been amazed by our exhibition, which has sparked curiosity and awe around the world. Immerse yourself and gain amazing insights into the body and
Okay, wait, sorry. Let's take a pause there. Yeah? I think we'll stop at which has sparked curiosity and awe. Okay, so it is an eye opener. If you realize they've actually used an adjective to describe, right? Eye opener. Why is it an eye opener? Because over it's interactive. Okay, interactive means that you are able to basically interact with whatever that they have on exhibition. Yeah. And then of course we have the opening hours information. Definitely there'll be some questions related to that. And the description of the place. Okay, now someone, can you call someone else to read the section under immerse yourself? Someone, can you call someone, please? Someone, can you call someone else? Call out some of your friends here, one of them, to read the next part.
Charlotte.
Charlotte. Okay, Charlotte, can you read the section under immerse yourself? Charlotte, are you there? Charlotte. Okay, someone, you will call someone else. I think Charlotte might not be present at the moment. We'll come back to Charlotte later. Can you call someone else, please?
Yitong.
Itong. Okay.
And gain amazing insights into the body and mind. See the effects that our lifestyle choices have on our health. It is fun, provocative, educational, and endlessly fascinating. Book now for Body, Mind, and don't forget to pick up a complimentary audio guide to enhance your visit.
Very good. Thank you so much, Itong. Okay. So basically this part is even more description about the place. Okay. And then if you notice, they've also used the adjective extraordinary to describe, right? There's a pink word on the right-hand side, right? So that actually tells you about how the writer thinks of the place. He finds it very extraordinary, and here are some of the reasons why. Okay, so when you read a piece of text, whether or not it's visual text or is it just a written piece of text with no pictures and photos, okay, always try to unpack, or rather try to segment it out and try to understand what each section means. If it is a continuous piece of writing, then you might just want to think about what the paragraph is trying to say. Okay, when we do comprehension, right, you want to find out like what does a particular paragraph, what is the main idea of the particular paragraph? What is it trying to say? Okay. All right, so once you've understood this, we're going to move on to the bottom. Itong, can you call someone to read the section under body, mind is a life changer?
Theodora.
Theodora. Okay, Theodora, can you read the section over there in the blue box?
Body Mind is a life changer. 90% of attendants left the exhibition inspired to live healthier lifestyles. 6 months after visiting Body Mind, 12% stopped smoking, 20% consume less alcohol, 25% exercise regularly, 33% started on a on a healthier diet.
Very good. Thank you so much, Theodora. Before you call someone else, let us just analyze this part of the text, okay? Why do you think they use numbers? They use percentages. Okay, why do you think they use percentages to as a form of data in this visual text? Anybody? Oh, someone is trying to come in. Elizabeth, okay. Okay, anyone? Back to my question. Okay, back to my question. Why do you think they're using numbers, okay, like percentages, to, in this visual text? Anyone? Theodora, you want to try? I have a new student coming in, right? What's your name? Oh, Elliot, is it? Okay. Okay. Yeah, so basically, someone typed in the chat. Let me have a look. Because if the amount of people attending is 10 and 9, people live healthier life, they can say that 90% look like more people. Okay, fine. That's a very interesting perspective, Heidi, because what Heidi is trying to say that if let's say the number of people are not that many, there aren't many attendees for this workshop. No, wait, sorry. This museum, this exhibition, basically, there aren't that many visitors. But when they use it as a percentage, it might seem like it's more. So for example, the example that Heidi gave was if let's say there are 10 people only, when they use the word when they use the number 90%, it may seem like there are more people. Yeah, that's a very interesting perspective which I've not thought of. Basically, the reason why they use numbers, and in this case is percentages, is because they would like us to have they would like us to have an idea of, and sometimes numbers can be convincing because some people, they are very skeptical, they don't really trust like words if you tell them words. But if you have like a particular data or a set of like statistics to show, then the person will be more convinced. Okay, they will be then persuaded to take action. In this case, what kind of action is the writer trying to achieve? The writer is trying to get you to go to the exhibition, right? So that's the writer's aim or objective. Okay, so in this case, numbers usually serve as a purpose of trying to convince, trying to persuade, okay? Because numbers, a lot of people will rather trust numbers than words because numbers are facts, right? They are statistics to show, okay? Now, who was the last person just now? Theodora, right? Theodora, can you call someone else to read under ticket information? Theodora?
Um, Wilma.
Wilmer, okay, come, Wilmer. Ticket information.
Ticket information. Tickets can be purchased in advance online or on the day of your visit at our box office. If you buy your tickets in advance online, you will enjoy the best discounted price. You may do so up till the day before your intended visit. Do I
Okay,
continue?
see the price list below for details, right?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Then my woman will call someone else to read the ticket details.
Jeremy.
Jeremy, okay.
Price list: adults 16 to 69 years, children 6 to 15 years, seniors 70 plus years, young children 0 to 5 years, family up to 5 members. In
Okay,
advance, wait, do I like list out?
I think that's fine. I think the numbers is fine. But I thought you should be reading the discounted group rates, that one. Discounted group rates.
Discounted group rates are available online for groups of 10 or more people.